Come on! We are 1 week out. Precisely 560 kilometers far. It's gonna be a big week.
Have you had fun?
Yeah, definitely, type 2 of fun.
Just waiting for Matteo at the... Well, we're not really stopping today. He said he doesn't really want to stop today. He's just gonna pop in for a couple minutes, sort some food, and then take it on and walk with him. I think he's got to try and hit 80 k's today, so we're trying to be as efficient as possible. I'm just cooking up some pasta for him. I've cooked some eggs so that he can kind of like jump into it. Good start. We got on the road at like 6:45 I think today, or he got on the tarmac at like 6:45. Villach is 80 kilometers from where we were, I believe, so he'll either go to Villach tonight, or if he's feeling good he might push through all the way to Italy, which is just 22 k's, so that'd be an awesome stint for him to get a 100k day in.
Yeah, good. 46k. Fuck, bro, I want to sleep in a fucking bed. Yeah, you mean even like, not even in bed, just laying down their mattress under like a real roof, and not to have to wake up at 2:50 for peeing.
What was it that you said? How you feel about the mission right now?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the end. I'm like, I think.
Fuck this shit.
I think you can compare this entire mission with a marathon, and I'm like 37k in.
Last 5 kilometers to go.
Yeah, last 5 kilometers to go, and you just want to, you want just to get to the finish line.
Have you had fun?
Yeah, definitely. Type 2 of fun.
It's a good fit.
Yeah. Fuck. I like chucked the last sip of...
More than a sip.
Yeah, more than a sip of milk. It was disgusting.
It's expired.
Yeah, it's expired.
There's more milk in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you shit.
Just tip it out.
Wow, bro, disgusting.
We're 75k in. We're in Villach, 22 kilometers from the border. I'm trying to convince this man to just grow a pair of balls and run to Italy. Let's go to Italy. How many hours would you need to run 22k? 3.5?
Yeah, let's do that.
9:30. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Like, you can just run another 2, or you could run 22. In Italy.
6 days out until the mission ends. Yeah, we have camped out yesterday night somewhere near the Italian border, but like 13 kilometers far. I was drinking coffee in the car while driving to the starting point, and it felt off 2 times. The sky is bright, legs feel outstanding despite the 83 kilometers of yesterday. So Italy, here we come. Let's go.
Honestly, it is so beautiful here, man. About to drive to the Italian border, meet Matteo in about an hour or so. Then we're in Italy. Holy cow, what the hell.
Come on!
Just got Matteo some pastries, chocolate croissant, because he loves it, man. Tell you what, it's extremely hard to be disciplined when he burns so many calories a day, so it's just like nothing. For me, on the other hand, I don't know, I've got to be careful here. You want to see something really, really cool?
Come on! I don't know why, but this part of my feet is hurting.
Welcome in Italia.
Grazie.
Grazie. Waiting for Matteo at our, well, second stop. I mean, I met him at the border, but second stop, I think we're about 33 k's in or something like that, so it'll be good. Not too much climb, but a little bit up and down, but man, this is like breathtaking. Like, honestly, this is going to be probably one of my favorite sections, if not my favorite section of the entire trip. Like, it's just I can't, you know, it's amazing. Sunny, a little bit of warmth, which is nice. The clouds coming through as well, which offers a little bit of coverage, and there's a little bit of a breeze, so all in all, really nice running conditions today. We'll see how he's feeling when he gets in. I got some pasta and stuff for him, and then we'll just make a plan. But I think we're gonna try hit at least 75 to 80 today as well. So we will see how he gets on.
32 kilometers in, finally in Italy. Yeah, I don't know how much time we will stay in the mountains. Probably, definitely today, but I don't know if even tomorrow we will be in the mountains. I saw some affordable accommodations on my way here, so I hope like tonight we will be able to sleep somewhere. We definitely need a shower. There is a river. I don't know what's the name of the river, but the water is very clear. Wow, I would like so much to take a bath. Yeah, I mean to jump in.
Daily activity, drying out the tents and the flies. And these things are really getting put through the ringer, to be honest with you.
I was browsing around on Google Maps, and I've just seen that there is a shorter route, like 5 kilometers. Yeah, 5 kilometers shorter. But it's cool because it goes across the Lagoon of Venice. I will be able to pass across the old town of Venice, and I've never been there. I've been to the lagoon, but I've never been to the old city of Venice, and I will have to take a like a 1 mile, like 2 miles ferry probably. So I don't know if that's allowed, but honestly I don't think it's a big issue.
On Saturday, bro, how crazy is it to say on Saturday?
Yeah.
On Saturday you'll have to introduce me to Jack. Oh, hey bro.
Hey Jack,
Nice to meet you.
how you doing?
How's things, buddy?
Yeah, you will love him.
Bro, turn around. The stain, it's more obvious. So today I took this thing through the Alps from Austria into Italy, and man, I tell you what I saw today was probably some of my most favourite parts of the entire expedition, and possibly one of my most favourite drives I've ever done in my entire life. Like, if you get the chance, get a car, man, and just drive through here. Like, look at these things, they are so big and so beautiful. Today was breathtaking, man, absolutely breathtaking. Like, I can't even start to explain it. .30 in the morning on, what day is it? 16th. Bad sleep. And I've had to evacuate the tent because it can't seem to sustain the rain. So my camera got wet, my bag got wet, my sleeping bag, everything. Similar to day one. Just like the rain just pushes the fly down against the tent itself, and then it just starts like dripping through and spraying through and stuff. So not good. Everything's really wet. The weather for today looks like it's going to be rainy and cloudy most of the day, so like I'm not going to be able to dry anything out either. So no good. It's not, I don't even think it's raining too hard. Well, it's raining pretty hard, but I feel like a tent should be able to sustain this. But I don't know. Maybe Matteo bought me a dud. Not good, man. Pretty shattered. I've had to bring everything into the car, and yeah. Man, it is raining hard still, super hard. I just touched base with Matteo. He is 15k in, his shoes are completely soaked, so he needs me to come and meet him to change shoes. He also ditched some waterproof pants in a in a manhole or something somewhere about 5 minutes away, so I've got to go get those first and then go and meet him. So that will be interesting to see if I can find those. He's he gave me some photos to try and find them, so interesting spot. Yeah, tent super wet, mattress super wet, sleeping bag super wet. I'm not sure how I'm going to dry any of it, so I'm going to need to do some problem solving here. Hopefully the rain leaves us today, but by the looks of it I'm pretty sure it's just going to get heavier and heavier throughout the day, but who knows these days. Croissant number 464 from Matteo.
Wow.
Is it good? Or is it okay?
Yeah, like I've just got a little bite. I was like, finally it stopped to rain. Thank God.
It's supposed to continue
Yeah.
today. Tonight.
The sky is bright.
It doesn't mean shit.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see you 10-15k.
Oh, yeah. Isn't it 10 kilometers from here? Like an hour and a half. Hour and a half. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, the police just stopped me because it had a signalation from, I don't know, someone. They were very kind. I talked about the project. Yeah, they were fired up. Grandi carabinieri di Spilimbergo.
I can't be bothered anymore. I reckon I've slept like 8 hours in the last 2 nights. That fucking train, man. Matteo's on his last stretch of 16 to do 76. I'm gonna go look for accommodation. Bro, that place, the 1-star hotel, is actually a pizzeria.
That should be good then. I don't know why. You see, it's a
96 euros? That must be wrong, right? Because there's like 3 stars that are like 90 euros. Do you reckon I just go straight there and see and then make my way back? Or no? Because it's almost en route. I mean, it's almost.
just head here, like if you see something on the route,
Camare.
like camera.
Camere.
If you see something on route, just go there and check the price.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't see anything, just go.
I'll go there. It's on the route. I'll just go there. I'll follow the route there. What are we wanting to pay?
Like 50.
Okay.
50.
Hard to find accommodation, man. Hard to find accommodation.
Six a.m. Wednesday, 17th. Today we will arrive in Venice. It's gonna be great to visit the old part of Venice. I've never been there actually. Then I'll keep running across the lagoon, and Timothy and me we will meet where he can drive to. I can't remember the place of the name, but we will be divided for a bit. What else? Yesterday we had a great dinner here in this tractor, like 15 euros per person, first and second. It was amazing, and we were thinking while eating that was that 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 was our first meal, like eaten in a proper way, so while sitting and with a dish and a glass in front of us after like 47 days of the starting of the project. So yeah.
How was your sleep?
Yeah man, like
I'm pretty sure that's one of the comfiest beds ever.
yeah, I generally touch the
Pillow.
bed and like yeah. Did it snore?
Mm.
So 30k in the bag, other 20 to go to the ferry starting point, and yeah, it's a bit hot but amazing weather. I have already eaten one croissant, one slice of pizza, so feeling good, yeah.
Alright, just went to Decathlon, got Matteo some shoe soap and brush to clean his shoes, and then I've got to head to the ferry terminal now, get our tickets, just check, make sure everything's all good, get our tickets, and then depending how we are for time, I'll either stay there or I'll go to the supermarket. But beautiful day in Venice, extremely hot, but really beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm really excited to be able to go to this old town. I didn't even think it was going to happen, and man, I'm excited to take you guys with me too. So yeah, on to the ferry terminal. We're doing good. Long way to go, but almost there, eh? Almost there. Alrighty, so slight change of plans. Matteo, I didn't go to the old town of Venice. When we started to look at the cost of Matteo and I going, me coming back, and then also having to park the car for the 3-4 hours that it would take, it ended up being semi-pricey. So yeah, all in all, really gorgeous day today, really warm. Wednesday the 17th, I believe. So Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Crazy, man, crazy. Lots to do, not much time, but yeah, looking forward to seeing Matteo and seeing how it went and all that sort of jazz too. Alright, so I've just set up camp for us at our location tonight. Matteo just messaged me about 20 minutes ago. His ferry across to the side that I'm on only left at 7:30. Not sure how long it is, so when that has arrived, I think he'll either run a little bit more or walk a little bit more to the point where I'm going to go collect him. Beautiful campsite. Lots of people here, but it's yeah, it'll be perfect for us, and then we can shoot down to the beach as well. I'll go for a nice swim tonight, and then I'll come back and work here tomorrow morning. I think there's a cafe, so I'll work here, and then I will probably go for a morning swim as well, man. I'm loving this ocean, it's so good. But yeah, probably won't hear anything from us tonight, but all in all, I'm assuming it was really good for Matteo and Florence. Man, I tell you what, when I first went to go and get the tickets today, I just followed Google Maps and it led me into a car park, and well, there's heaps of car parks because the ferry terminal and the airport are right next to each other, and there's nowhere to park for free, so it led me into this car park, and then I somehow ended up, my ticket was an error ticket that wouldn't work, so I had to go and get it changed, which was a lot of unnecessary admin, and then I got charged €15 for being in this car park for about 5 minutes. Bit of a bummer, but yeah man, but other than that, the day was awesome. Really good day.
Thank you very much, boys and girls, for watching. We are doing this mission for raising money for Pane Quotidiano Firenze, a volunteer organization that helps people and family families who need it most. So please, to donate, go to the website matteobucci.com, link in my bio. If you have already donated, we see you, we really appreciate it. Otherwise, buy a shirt, donate, even €1 counts. So guys, see you soon.